Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix your Nikon Z camera if it doesn't turn on. Check that if the battery is inserted correctly. The battery latch locks the battery in place when the battery is fully inserted. After inserting the battery, close it. If it does not close properly, check that if the battery chamber is free of foreign objects and the battery is inserted in correct orientation. If you are using a charger, then you can check if the charging is complete by inserting the battery and confirming that the charge lamp glows steadily. If the charge lamp flashes rapidly, remove and reinsert the battery. Check if your battery contacts are clean. If not, clean them with a dry cloth. Nikon brand batteries bear a holographic seal. Note that the performance can only be guaranteed if they are genuine Nikon batteries. If you are unsure whether a battery is genuine, contact a Nikon authorized service representative. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.